By the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to get the sniper entries where you get the high risk to reward ratio trade with the tighter stop loss. We have USD JPY here. When the price is going up, as you can see here, when the price is going up, we have to enter for our buy positions because price is in an uptrend. But let us see what happened here. Price was going up, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Look what happened next. When the price went up, creating higher highs and higher low, when it reached here, it reversed significantly and took out this last higher low. When this happens, we know price now has turned bearish, because as I can show you here, this is the last high and this is the last higher low, the last higher high and higher low, and the price took out this last higher low. This means price has turned bearish and we have to look for sell positions only. We have to look for sales. So what you have to do, you have to identify all these trend direction on the H4 time frame. You have to identify your trend direction on the H4 time frame. That is the higher time frame I chose to use because it is very easy for me to use it. After identifying all these on the H4 time frame, what do? We go on the medium time frame to look to mark up our key levels, trend lines. But for me, I like using key levels, support and resistance levels. Yeah, here we have a key support. We have a key resistance level here, guys. Yeah, here we have a key resistance level. Like I said, I told you to consider a key level strong, the price must touch more than one time at the same price point. And as you can see here, price reacted at the same price point more than one time. This is a strong key resistance level. It is a resistance level because the price is crashing down. So now here we have our key resistance level. What do we do next? We go down on our lower time frame to get the sniper entry. What is our lower time frame? You can use 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, but for me I use 15 minutes time frame. Why? It is very easy for me to enter my trade at. So when you go to 15 minute time frame, so this is where you get your entry. You get your sniper entries where you get the higher risk to reward ratio trade. The high risk to reward ratio trade with the tighter stop loss. So here, the price goes down, goes up, comes down, goes up again to retest our resistance level. So here you enter for a sell position because you have this, this big bearish engulfing candlestick, the big red candlestick. That is the confirmation that now price is continuing crashing down. This is when you enter for a sale. You must press your stop loss first. You must set your stop loss first. Don't forget to manage risk. Always remember, risk management is very important. I have already recorded rules to follow about risk management when you are trading. You can check on my channel, the video is there. So you press your stop loss. You can press it above the key level. You press it above the key level or above your entry. Above your entry. Just like here. Because we want to get the tighter stop loss with the high risk to reward ratio trade. So you enter and your target, your take profit must be here at this low. Lower at this lower low. Here. And this is 1 to 8.7, where you risk $1 and get $8. You risk $100 and get, you risk $1 to get $8. You risk $100 to get $800. You risk $1,000 to get $8,000. That's how it works. Now let me show you one more important things to know. We have a bullish uptrend here. Price is going up, creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So here we have to look for buys. What do? We have to identify this trend direction on the H4 time frame. After identifying the trend direction on the H4 time frame, remember that is our higher time frame. After identifying this trend direction on the H4 time frame, it is bullish. We have to look for buys. What next? We go to our medium time frame. That is H1. That is H1. To do what? To draw our key levels. To draw our key levels, guys. We have a key level here. It is a support level because price is in uptrend. In an uptrend, you have to draw only key support levels. Only key support levels, guys. Always remember that. We have to draw our key support level here. Let me press it wider. Yeah, this is our key support level, guys. After identifying your key levels, you go down to the lower time frame. I use 15 minutes always to get my sniper entry. This is the lower time frame I use, which is 15 minutes time frame. So here you can see here what happened. Price reacted here multiple times here. This shows us that this key level is very strong. It is very strong. So what do we do next here? We have to wait for the next time price come back at our key level for us to enter the trade. So price come back, goes up, come back again. So this is the right time because it come back here to retest the same key level and again to continue going up. So this is the right time to enter for a trade. So here, but before you enter, you have to first look and see what happened before you enter the trade. So you have to first get the confirmations, not one, but you have to first look at multiple confirmations that allows you to enter the trade. Now let me show you here. This you get this the bullish candlestick with the long wick. The long wick means this key level has been rejected. It has been rejected, and now price is going up. So this long wick candle is a confirmation. That's one. The next confirmation is that price is already at our key level. That is confirmation number 2. The third confirmation is that price has given us this. What is this? Double bottom. This is double bottom. This tells us that now price is going up. Those are 3 confirmations. Those are 3 confirmations to tell us that price is now going back up. So here you can enter for a long position. You can enter for a buy, press your stop loss below, and you take profit. You take profit, you have to press it at the next key level. At the next key level. Here we have another key level, guys. Yeah, we have another key level, guys. Here. Yeah, here we have another key level. Here. Because price reacted at this price point. At this price point many times. Yeah, many times. So here you press you enter and press your take profit here at this key level. And this, you want this is 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio trade. You risk $1 to get $4. You risk $100 to get $400. $1,000 to get $4,000. That's how we do it. So remember this, always follow your risk management first, because without risk management you can't make money in trading. So always follow your risk management plan before entering any trade. And remember, patience is your edge. If you are patient, you learn all this, you will make money over time. If you want to learn more about trading, watch the next video right there. See you in the next one.